Okay, in this video I will show you how to make dombolo, known as ujeqe, also known as African steam bread. First of all, you need to add in about 300 grams of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Add in a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and dry yeast. Add in warm water bit by bit while mixing. Cover with the plastic wrap and leave it in a warm place for about 2 hours.
2 hours later.
After 2 hours, the dough should have been risen by now. Remove the plastic and knead the dough to take out the air bubbles. Place the dough in another container. Coat your bowl with margarine or olive oil to avoid the bread from sticking to the pan. In a large pot, bring some water to boil and place your bowl in the boiling water. Be careful not to let the water go inside the bowl, or else your bread will be soggy. Cover and let it steam for about a couple of hours. When your steamed bread is done, place it on a rack to cool down and cut into desired pieces. Enjoy with curry, stews, or anything you desire. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe.